In this video, we are going to discuss Linux file system. We use cd command to change directory. Let's say if we want to go to root directory, we use cd and then slash. It will navigate us through root directory. To see the content of the file, we use ls command. It will show us the content inside the directory. Here we have a bin directory. Let's navigate to bin directory. To get the content of bin directory, we use ls command. Bin directory contains binary or executable files that are essential to the entire operating system. Directory is sbin. Sbin contains system binaries that should only be executed by the root user. Let's navigate to sbin directory. Then we use ls command. Here it contains all the files related to the operating system. Now we also have a USR user directory. It contains application software of user. Let's navigate into USR directory and list content. The USR. Let's in bin and sbin directory inside the USR directory. These are not related to operating system. These are related to the end user only. In this video, we have covered bin, sbin, and USR directories. In next video, we will cover other directories as well. So stay tuned with us and see you in next video. Thank you.